Now, the question is 2 raised to power 2x plus 3 negative for 65 dot 2 raised to power x is equal to negative of 8. Now, first of all, let us split the power. 2 raised to power 2x, 2 raised to power 3, 65 dot 2 raised to power x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now, this becomes 8 times 2 raised to power 2x negative of 65 times 2 raised to power x plus 8 is equal to 0. Now, let 2 raised to power x is equal to y and 2 raised to power 2x becomes y square. Equation reduces to quadratic form (8y square minus 65y plus 8 is equal to 0). A is 8, B is negative of 65 and C is 8. Using quadratic formula, y is equal to negative of b plus minus square root of the discriminant upon twice of a. Negative of negative 65 square root of negative of 65 minus 4 times 8 times 8 upon 2 times 8. Now, this becomes (65 plus minus). Now, square root of 65 it is 4225 minus 4 times 8 times 8, that is 256 upon 16. Upon 16, y is equal to 65 plus minus 63 upon 16. Y is equal to 2 upon 16, that is 1 upon 8, and y is 128 upon 16, that is 8. Now, we have supposed 2 raised to power x 1 upon 2 x is minus 3 here it is 1 upon 8 x is equal to 3. Required roots x is equal to plus minus 3 answer.